What I love about coming to markets is that I find new companies that I've never seen before. I found Sumaiya. They are a third generation rug company. They're from India, but they're based in Dalton, Georgia. What do? They have all sorts of rugs, and Norshaid is going to show me some of these rugs. They have all sorts of textures, all sorts of colors, all sorts of ways that you can bring rugs to your home. Even more exciting to me is that as a designer, you can customize your rugs. You can get this at not a big upcharge. You can choose your texture, choose your colors, and it's a great way to have a custom rug for your clients, and I think that's very exciting. So this is Sumaiya. I'm glad to introduce them to you.